Hey guys, I'm at Ocean Beach, an hour away from high tide, and it's just smashing up here. Just smashing up here. Exposing rocks everywhere. Digging that. That's the start to the life-saving club there. It's chewed all that away. And there's waves just smashing up here. Now we're still, that's just going right up to my waist then. Nice one. That's cold. Now I'm wet. Good one. And sticks and shit. But she's definitely cutting right up here. Coming way up here. And like I said, only halfway through the tide. So I've got another hour to go before it's high tide, 3.8. And it's just literally smashing up here. No treasure exposing itself. Jeez. No treasure exposing. Oh, it's cold. No treasure exposing itself just yet, but give it time. I've got to get up here. Look at this. It's just making a little cubby house here. I've got to keep my wits about me. All the rocks are just dropping out of there. That's holding that whole section there. Well, there you go. The waves are coming again. Ouch. Chuck the stick. Awesome. Central Coast, Ocean Beach. Can't wait for the treasure to start popping its head up.